Hi, um, this is. Wow, that's rude. One sec. She was chapped, so. Okay. So, this is. Hi, guys, welcome back to my channel. I've stopped doing that recently, I've realized. I just don't like doing that anymore. Anyways, so this video is my updated base routine. If you don't know, I already have a video that is my base routine. This is also very similar to that one, if I'm being completely honest, but I did change the products, and I think I found my holy gaze holy grail products for my base, that I could wear anywhere, and I could easily convert these same products into a completely full glam and a natural glam at the same time. So I'm going to show you guys what I do for my looks. I've been at home because of the pandemic, so I have not been going out. I don't know how to speak English apparently. So I don't wear this makeup when I go out. So just so we're clear, this is going to be a full coverage based tutorial because that's what I like to do. But when I am going out, when I will be going out rather, for my job or anything else, this camera is tilted. We love that. My vanity, she shows in every video. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna zoom in you guys later. Focus. So yeah, when I do go back out for work or anything, I will make another video because I'm still figuring out how I want to do my makeup when I'm going out, because it's summer here where I'm living and it's too fucking hot to wear makeup. So I'm still figuring that out. At home it's easy because I only wear makeup when I'm filming, and I usually have I usually have my air conditioner on, so that helps. Anyways, too much talking, let's jump into it. The first thing obviously will be moisturizing. This, I think the last video also, was it same? I don't remember. That was like a year ago. I think that was the beginning of pandemic, beginning of lockdown, I think. I'm not sure. I think that was like July, August somewhere. Anyways, so this is the moisturizer. What is the name? This is the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer, oil free moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E or vitamin E, whatever you want to call it. So I like to drown myself in this. This is like very good for my dry skin. I know my eyebrows are too short, so like shut up, okay? Shut up. I know. I did them that way. She's a little blunt, she's not sharp. But I was just doing it before filming because I had some stray hairs and my hand slipped. If you watched my previous video, you'll know that you are going to need practice, and I've been doing my eyebrows myself for closer to a year now, and I fucked it up like 10 times already. So yeah, but it's okay, I'm still at home. So yeah, I put a lot of moisturizer under my eyes because I need them hydrated for the concealer that I use. It's a little drying, so yeah, I would not recommend it to dry people, I think, but it works for me for my looks, so I would not wear it for a daily wear, maybe, I'm not sure. Anyways, so I have that. Now I have stopped using primer. I know, weird, right? I mean, I still use like the pack oil. I have used that in the past. I think I'm gonna buy it again, but since I'm not going anywhere, I'm not putting money in primer for now because I'm home, I'm just filming. So I use my sunscreen. I use the Requil oxybenzone and OMC free blah 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 sunscreen. This is the pump one. I love this one. I don't like the tube one. So I take like one whole pump of sunscreen. I sometimes use more depending on if I'm going out or not. If I'm going out, I use a little more, but since I'm not, I'm gonna wear just a little. Wear sunscreen at home, please. Don't forget your neck and ears. A lot of people forget their ears. Sunscreen is on. I'm gonna let it sit for just 10 seconds, and we're gonna go ahead with foundation. I forgot to wet my sponge. Be right back. Okay, so next step, I have to color correct I saw my previous video. I have seen that in every video that I did my base, and I call it color correcting, which is like so fucking weird. It's color correcting. I'm so sorry that you have to hear that. I don't know where it is. I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro concealer in shade peach. I shat on this concealer when I filmed the haul video, the Nykaa Black Friday haul. If you've not seen, I'll link it down below. But I just used it wrong. I used just too much of product, which I should not have. Now I know how to use it. So I take tiny bit on my finger and I put it where I want it to be. Just place it. So now I'm gonna go under my eyes. Again, very little product on both my fingers. I'm just going to tap it in the very corner. Now what I've started doing is I don't go like up to my eyes, like up over here. I don't go there to my lash line. Yeah, why did I not remember that word? So I don't go close to my lash line anymore. I have learned this from practice that I have natural creases under my eyes. Next up, we're going into foundation. I'm again using my Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I love this foundation, but the only complaint I have is that they are not cruelty free. Maybelline is not a cruelty free brand, which is a bummer because they have amazing products. I just hope they would stop testing it on animals, because I have to stop using this foundation, but it's so good. This is the only foundation that suits my skin the best. So anyways, I'm gonna use one pump of this for now. I will add some more later if I need it. So I'm gonna, okay, on camera my corrector looks like it's my skin shade, but in reality it's very peachy, so please don't get confused. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one. I'm just going to put dots. Now what I've started doing is I use my foundation mostly for my whole face. I don't use a lot of concealer anymore. I know that's the ulta of what usually people do. Like people usually what do we say? People usually use more of concealer and less of foundation just because of the coverage. But with me, the issue is that I'm gonna take just a little bit more, like half a pump, just this much, just a dot. Yeah, so for me actually, because concealers are full coverage and tend to be cakey if you have skin like mine and like you have pores and lines like me, it just doesn't sit well with me. So I have started using foundation closer to my eyes just for the extra coverage. So you know how I said I don't like brushes for my foundation? I know, just hear me out. So this is not the typical brush that people use for foundation, but I like using this because I just started using it. I think I saw, I don't know where.
Okay, I remember. I was filming a look and all my sponges were really dirty and I had to blend my foundation in because it was drying on me, because I was like filming like a tutorial, like a IG tutorial. So like you pretend to put on like products, you know, it's already blended, you just have to pretend. So what was happening was I already dotted my face just like this, and then I figured out that my sponges are dirty and I don't have even one clean sponge, and I did not want to use the dirty ones because they were like dirty for a while. Anyways, long story short, I picked up this brush because I know that these kind of brushes, where did it go? Like these kind of brushes, they don't go well for me with foundation, liquid foundations. It's just not my journey. So I used this and I absolutely fell in love with the finish. I'm going.
Now here comes my addition. Once I'm done blending it with my brush, I take a sponge, go on the bigger side, just pat it in. Now I started using the brush because I think it gives me more coverage. I'm not sure. So next we jump into concealer right away. For concealer, I've started using two concealers. Yeah, I know, I have become that girl who uses 2 concealers, 2 different foundations, 2 different lipsticks. I use 6 lipsticks, what am I talking about? But yeah, now I've started using 2 concealers. I don't usually brighten my center now. I only do it depending on what kind of look it is. If I do that, I used another concealer. You'll see it's not a lot of product, I promise. It just looks like it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a flat cut crease concealer brush. I'm gonna use my Age Divine in the shade medium and my L'Oreal Full Wear Infallible Full Wear in Amber 312. Very difficult to get, by the way. So I'm gonna take this one, the Age Divine. So like I told you, the concealer that I'm using is this one is very dry, so I use it later. I'm gonna take this one on this thing brush, I don't know what English is, and I'm gonna put it in the corner. Now as I told you, I'm not gonna put any product over here, so I'm just doing it on the corners. There we go. Now I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in Amber. Now a lot of product comes out. I don't like it because it gets really messy to clean it up. So I'm going to clean up the doe foot completely because like a lot of product comes in it. I'm going to completely clean this up. I think I have just a little product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one dot in the center. Like so, just one dot and one dot in the center over here. Now if I do need more later, I will put on more later, but usually I don't require. Now you see both the shades are just a tad different. That's what helps me cancelling my dark circles to the best that I can. Now this is also something new that I started doing. I started using a brush for concealer and I have seen that it helps me get better coverage. Again, I will use a sponge later. Now see, I'm not gonna go closer to my eye, so I'm just going right below where my crease starts. I'm gonna go on my lid too because she needs some love, but yeah. Now I'm gonna take my sponge, the smaller side, and I'm gonna pat everything into place. Once we have the cream base completely set up, I just keep going in with my sponge to make sure we don't have any lines. Now before I step into blush, I'm going to set my under eyes with just a tiny bit of powder. So I'm gonna take my K by Katrina loose powder in the shade Vanilla. Why did I look? I know the shade. So I'm gonna take very tiny bit because the Infallible is a dry matte formula, so it gets too dry if you put too much. So I'm just going to put very little, just dab it on. I have my under eyes set, we jump into blush. Now for blush, I have 2 techniques that I do depending on again what look I'm doing. So if I'm going out or when I will go out, I used this. I used to use this like beginning of this year. I actually spilled half of this bottle, but this is very affordable, so I'm gonna buy another one. So yeah, what was I talking about? I used to use this looks good on like straight up on your skin too, like it looks like you just look flushed and like blushy. Anyways, so for depending on the looks that I'm doing, I use either this is the Cuddly Skin by Vidhi tint. I think yeah, it's called a tint. And if not, I use this CAL Los Angeles lipstick in the shade Tempt. So I like my cheeks to be bright, like really bright and everything. So that's why I use brightest colors. If you want to see this one, I have a picture on my Instagram. I'll put it over here actually. No, you guys go follow me on my Instagram and see that picture. It's a white eyeliner picture. I have used this in that picture, and it's not filtered picture, so you'll be able to see clearly. I'm gonna use this for now because this is what I usually use. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my finger and just
This is a very pinky peachy shade, so I like my cheeks to be very peachy. So you can already see that's like too much blush for someone. But you know what? I take pictures on my camera and like that which does not pick up color. So I have to put a lot on in order for it to pick up. So once I have it placed where I want it to be, I take a sponge. I usually do it with my fingers, but I don't feel like doing that on camera today. See, it actually lightened up quite a lot. But I like somewhere over. So I always put my blush like this. I don't put like this just for the
look that it gives me, like the lifted look. And what I do is when I'm blending my eyeshadow, I blend it into the blush so it looks very cohesive. But I mean, that's just what works for me. Again, makeup is very subjective. What might work for me might not work for you, so don't pick up anything from this video. No, I'm just kidding. You can try everything that I'm trying and pick out stuff that works for you. Powder. So I'm gonna use the same powder. I'm gonna use the same powder. I'm gonna take a fluffier brush so that I don't pick up a lot of product. I'm gonna dip that into the powder. Excess off. Very light hands, see. Very light hands. Because I don't like a lot of powder. Okay, next we do bronzer. Very crucial step in my makeup routine. I love bronzer so much. I like to just I just love it so much. You see how toasted that looks? That looks really good on camera too. So like in picture. Next we're gonna do more blush. Yes, you heard it right. I'm gonna use this angular but a little rounded one for my blush. I like using this because it's like perfect for blush, I think. So I'm gonna use my Sugar Cosmetics Mauve Marvel blush. And I'm gonna take very little because this is very pigmented. Tap it off, and you see that color? So I think we're almost done. I'm gonna say something that not a lot of you are gonna like. I've stopped using a lot of highlighter. Like I don't use a lot of highlighter anymore. But I'm gonna use today. Don't worry. I like to highlight my nose. My K by Katrina highlighter in shade. What shade is this? Rosy Dew. And there she is, this small fan brush, and I'm gonna dip it into the highlighter and do my brow bone with it. This also I've stopped doing because when I do like full eye looks, ooh, look at that, that's too much actually. When I do full eye looks, I like to blend my eyeshadow into my eyebrows. So okay, that's it for this video, guys. This is my new complete base routine for my looks. Again, this is not my everyday makeup, just making sure you guys know that, because I mean this is kind of everyday because I almost do the makeup every single day, but I am not wearing makeup every single day if I'm going out. So, and this is not what I'm wearing. So just want to make sure we are clear. I do have bags right now, so that's why it looks kind of weird, the coloring and everything, because I didn't want to put more over here because of the bags. Anyways, it's just enhancing the bags anyways. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. I mean, you've been asking for this video, so you better like it, comment down below whatever, I don't know. Sorry, I'm just kidding. Comment down below what you want to see next in terms of makeup or vlogs. I am planning on vlogging very soon, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next. No, wait, I have another channel, guys. I don't know if I've uploaded a video before this. Wait, have I don't know if I said it in the previous video. I don't know if I did, but if I did not, I have one more channel I started very recently last week. It's a movie, music, anything reaction / commentary channel. So if you are interested in watching that, go subscribe. I'm gonna put a link in the description box. I have already 2 videos out on that channel, so if you want to watch them, go ahead, watch it. I'm gonna be posting more here and over there, so please like the videos so that I can make more videos. Anyways, thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, keep smiling, keep loving. Bye.